Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, kain tayo. May inihaw kaming bango. Sarap nito, mataba. Init. Ah. Gusto yung mataba. Nag-pray na po kami.
First ever creator cup on the same court that LeBron James and the Lakers won the in-season tournament.
Marin ka na, Benjo, if you want. Ayaw mo, lala ka. Wait lang. Ganun mo yung ano. Yan, ano yan? Hotdog.
Oh, sorry na.
Okay. Nagsasawan kami dito. Kasi ito yung gusto ko, yung mataba. Yung parting mataba. Yan o. Yan o.
Ano?
Oh. Nainit yan!
Oh my God.
Sobrang ano to, Seb, ha? Matinik. Tingnan mo, ha?
Ayaw na.
Hindi.
Ayaw na to.
Hindi, ano dyan lang.
Ayaw na.
Ito. Tapos may pork belly kami. Pork, liempo ba? Liempo. Oh, konti lang ha. Maliliit yung bite mo, ha? Kasi ito yung sausawan. Tabi na natin ito muna. Tapos may lettuce din kami. May hotdog kami, may hotdog. Kaon na ka, day. Dunga na, day.
Bronny James.
Kain mo, sir.
Can I just need your prediction?
Harap. Kain mo.
Great basketball player, but you don't go with Hey, trick shot. Let's see what he has to say about it. Yo, what's up, man? How are you?
Yan.
Good. What's going on? Nothing much, bro. Yo, I have a quick question. I'm about to play Bronny in course, right? And I just want to know, who do you think is gonna win?
Ang sarap.
I know. Okay, listen. If it was a 1v1, it would make sense. It'd be 11-0. You'd run me off the court, but we're talking trick shots here. You know, I don't want to bring up what happened like game over. You know, I hate bringing that up. Is there a toaster on the line? There's not a toaster on the line. You know what? I believe if you actually have a long shot, I think you're probably a better shooter than Bronny. Hey, bro. Thank you, bro. I'll let you know how it goes. That's respect right there. He was on stage, someone that came over, he's still rooting for me, so I appreciate that, Justin.
Chili paste.
Now, it's time to prepare for the big game.
Ano na?
Ay, sir, nakain to. Nakain siya ng lettuces.
The rules are very simple. We're playing a game of phase, which is basically
Bagong vlog ni
the exact same shot, and if he doesn't, he gets a leg, and vice versa. The first person to spell out phase
Ganda siya, Ichi, bagong, ano ba yung nito mo?
is going to win, and don't forget to subscribe if you want. Enjoy the video. We are here about to play a game of phase. Bro, this has been a long time coming. I've been wanting to play. You know, if it was a
Medyo pa mga
like a
ng
regular
Coke.
game, I don't want to do that because, you know, I lose all my subscribers. I don't want that. I built a nice
Pwede? Pwede ko sa baso.
pwede daw sabi ni Kuya wala hindi naman daw wala.
Hindi, pwede. Walang expert. Meron dyan ah.
First shot. That was my first shot of the day.
Ang sarap yung taba ng bangus, oh.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. Thank you.
Kain ka na.
Ako din.
Pwede na yan, ma'am.
Sarap, Seb.
Isa mukbang tayo.
Kaya nga.
Ay.
There's no way I would think of it a real 1v1. This is the only chance. We're gonna go half court. Yeah.
Saan yung sinulo sa tinika?
500k live.
SM?
Sabihin ko pa lang.
Oh. Ako na. Init.
That's a cut in the miniature. We're going for the chicken constitution. This is technically going to be a reverse this one.
Yung taba ng adbangus, oh. Sarap.
Bang, bang, bang.
Oh, sabi niyo sila, Chef. Oh, sa YouTube ko yan nilalagay.
It is so freaking cool. I know
Bang.
how's that ended from a car shop that is set. Come on! Hey, I'm just letting you know the brunch. Alright guys, alright, Hefe's beating up Japan. Hey, biggest comeback, come on. I feel like you can do a regular layup on this thing. Alright, here we go. Okay. It's not bad.
Bawal na dun lang. Kaya pogi yan eh. Makain ng gulay.
That's fair, that's fine. It's completely fair.
Ganun ba yun, Chef? So, pogi pag kumakain ng gulay. Hindi na alam.
Hey, one more letter for him. I want to see the mechanics behind this. Sounds like the water. Alright, we'll go half court. Regular half court. That would make that. I called it. It's fine. It's being serious. Come on now. Hey, alright. We're gonna go beyond half court now. He made that. He literally matched it first try. Bro, this is LeBron James' son.
Kanin ka pa.
We're like,
Konting kanin ba dito, Chef? Yun na lang sa'yo kasi bawasan mo yun sa'yo kasi malamig na. Kasi malamig na.
behind the other end.
Bawal sana mainit eh, namamaga yung pinagkanuhan.
Walang mainit.
Ha? Sa kabilang side may kanin yung mukha mo.
More power on that one.
Si Kuya Banis, umalis na. Umalik na ng kondo.
Kakalis ko lang.
Hindi na inabot yung dinner. Na ano siya, sweet nga. Yung hotdog naman, bihira lang kami kumain. Hindi ako nag-i-stack sa ref. Kasi alam niyo naman, diba? Ang hotdog sausaw natin sa chili paste. Kasawa natin, may pipino, kamatis, sibuyas, tsaka mga herbs. Sarap ng pipino. Ay. Hindi. Pwede mo yung sasawan. Gusto mo?
Saan mo muna?
Sige lang. Nagamit ba si Seb?
Ay.
Sasawan? Dito mo lagi ah. Dito kami sasaw. Pwede mo na. Ay, yung bangus. Oh, gusto ko dito sa bangus yung ulo eh. Kasi ito.
Wait. It's frozen. It's warm. It's made. Well, it looks. But it's warm. You don't have to microwave it. That's actually sick. Alright guys, so the rice is warm, the curry is hot. I actually want to try the rice before I try the curry. I'm a rice guy. Look at this distance. I mean, it is pretty far. Hook shot. It's sticky. I like it. Why does this remind me of like an MRE?
Ang gulo mo po.
It floated right to me. Because, you know what? How can I
say cheers. Itadakimasu.
To be honest, the only real way you'll be classified as a legit trick shot is if you go to Harlem. So that's what I'm gonna do. For those of you who don't know, we're the basketball team in the world known for winning trick shots, world record, all things we do. And then, well, you know what? How about we take you to some girls that have become a Harlem World Cup?
Cheat day namin ngayon, cheat day.
May ipon ako. Ay, may ipon. Wala akong ipon. Sabay.
May bandang... Oh.
Kani.
Kanin ka pa? Ba yung bandang ulo masarap ka? Baka... Ano yung nagkainit din ba? Excuse me. Palamigin mo muna ha.
No.
Sa ulo. Ito ang gusto ko guys. Init. Ulo. Woo! Ganyan ka lang dito. Diba? Init din. Buti lang yung mga anak ko kumakain ng isda.
Ako.
Inihaw.
Kuya.
Balis lang dyan. Pero Seb, Benji ako kumakain ng gulay.
Kubos, lalo na yun.
Kaya Banis mahilig sa gulay. Ayaw ng isda.
I love it. I love it.
May allergy.
Ano yung siya isda?
Dahil niya talaga bitam si Papa.
Seafood. Nakakato siya.
Ah, siya crab. Wala siya crab. Magkakaano ko. At saka dito ko.
Diba? Yung gusto ko yung mata. Hindi naman yan mukbang ginagawa mo. Sige.
Ah.
Kanina pa yung kanin mo sa pisngi mo. Hindi ako. Kaya pogi si
Porjo.
kasi si Seb kasi kumakain ng
Chicken.
ay Seb. Ito, lapit ka. Anong
Lang, pero di ko get sa yung advice.
ikaw, ang mapapayo ko sa mga anak, kailangan maging mabuting anak sila, magkaroon sila ng respeto sa magulang nila.
Training hard.
Diba? Basketball pa rin. Train hard. Ano pa?
Respeto sa nanana.
Louder, Ben Josephine. Ano?
Respeto sa mga magulang nyo.
Ano dapat, guys, may ano sila. Ano si Seb? Ano dapat ang ano ng mga kabataan? Baka sa ilong mo pinapainom yung tumbler mo.
Respeto sa mga magulang nyo.
One more. Ano? Respeto sa...
Magulang.
Ikaw, may respeto ka ba sa magulang? Meron naman. Anong nangyayari pag walang respeto? Anong ginagawa sa inyo?
Palo.
Anong ayaw ko sa bahay? Bawal mag
Away.
at saka mag
Okay.
bad word. Pero dito sa bahay, bawal talaga. Huwag lang silang parinig sa akin. Pero siyempre, mga kabataan ngayon, ano na sa kanila, para naging expression. Hindi na alam kung ano ibig sabihin nun. Pero dito sa bahay, bawal ang mura. Bawal ang bad word.
Sila lang.
Wash ka na ng kamay doon, dali na.
Guys, bye-bye!
Ayusin mo. Bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Ano sabihin mo?
Subscribe and follow. And like.
May pasok pa siya bukas. Okay?
And comment.
And comment and
And share.
and
And remix.
share.
And share.
Bye guys. Tapos na kami kumain. Thank you.